Hey, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna, or Queen D, and today is a FabFitFun Summer box. So let's go ahead and cut this box open. Alright, so here's the top of the box. I think those were some stickers. Oh, yes they are. They're little summer stickers with little ice cream, popsicles. Oh, this is just a little cute. This is cute. Alright, so let's see what else we got in here today. So we have I think this is a FabFitFun one. This is $15 off your first FabFitFun. So I'll be putting all the little coupons in the description below. And then we also have the little magazine it comes with. And take the paper now. Alright, so let's start here. Another HelloFresh. This is 14 meals now. The last one I had was 13 meals. So this is 14 meals. This is including shipping on your first box. Like I said, I'll put these in the description below. So we're just gonna start randomly in here. We're gonna start here. They're like little crystals for your drinks to make them like flavorful. This one comes with lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. This will be really good for me because I'm not a huge fan of water. I mean, I like bottled water, but this will probably make me drink the water more. So definitely good for summer. It says it's non-GMO. It's hydration made easy. It's called Liquid IV, fueling life's adventures. It's an electrolyte drink. And it says 2 to 3 times more hydrating than water alone, 3 times the electrolytes, 5 essential vitamins, B3, B5, B6, B12, and vitamin C. So it says hydration for performance, heat and sun, travel, and wellness. Oh, it's just 1 pack each. So it's only 3 of these in here. So it's 1 of each. So this is what one of these does look like. So this is a little strawberry one. It comes in a little packet. This is pretty big. I feel like these are bigger than like the standard ones. And it says add to 16 ounces of water. Cool. Oh, I'm really excited to try this out because I really need to be drinking more water. I really do. All right, so the next thing I see right here is this. I don't know what this is. Oh, I do know what this is. This is one of the things I picked out for myself. Oh my gosh. And these were super cute. I just had to have them. They come with 2 little spoons. 2 little spoons, little wooden spoons. But it's a guac and salsa bowl set. Sorry, this was hard to open. So it is a salsa and guac bowl. Oh, these are so cute. Like, look at the little salsa bowl. Salsa. I love salsa, and I love me some guacamole. Oh, look at the cute little guac dish. I wish the guac dish was bigger, but then they got the little spoons to go with them. Like, look how cute, guys. These are so cute. I'm really, really excited for this. Now I want to go buy some avocados and make my own salsa. All right, so let's see what else is in here. Next is going to be this. Oh, these are so cute. It's a silicone pineapple ice tray. Look how cute they are. Oh, these are so cute. This is from Blush. This is pineapple shaped ice molds. Oh, it's so cute. And it's silicone, so they're really easy to like pop out of place. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and I love this like little like turquoisey color. It's really pretty. Oh, so cute. All right, so next what we have, this is a Barefoot Scientist. I think this is maybe like a scrub for your foot, maybe. This is a smooth things over. It's a pedicure file, so I was correct. All right, it says use on damp feet after a shower or bath, applying desired pressure and move over in a circular motion across the skin to remove calluses. Apply light pressure to smooth and massage other dry, rough patches. After each use, rinse file with warm water and air dry. Really cute. So it has like this smooth side, and then there's also this like more rougher side. It's definitely gonna help exfoliate. Yeah, this is like super textured. I can tell just by like touching this. So this is really gonna like scrub really good. Oh, exciting. I like a little tool, something else to try. Oh, we got some Super Goop sunscreen, the unscreen sunscreen. I've been like wanting to try this. This is SPF 40. It is whiteless, colorless, scentless, oil-free formula for the face that leaves behind a velvety, soft finish. It also acts as a makeup gripping primer that's perfect for all skin types. So I'm really, really excited about this because I've seen so many people talk about it and like rave about it that I'm like, I want to try it out. And now we get to try it out. Oh, so really exciting. This is what the little component does look like. Oh, really cute. I like this a lot. I'll probably leave this one in my purse. All right, so what else? We've got this. I don't know what this is. I think these are like activity books is what they seem like. It says puzzles and activities. It's 2 of them. It's 2 puzzle and activity books. These are really cute. They've got like crosswords, find words, some other like puzzles, coloring. Oh, so really cool. Let's flip through one of these and just see what we've got. It says, I think this is like a bingo. Look at that, a bingo. This side is change 1 letter at a time and complete the word letter. So you're making like different letters. So this is kind of fun. This will be like easy when I'm bored. I'll probably keep this at the coffee table. Take this to work with me when on my downtime. Oh, this is fun. This is cute. All right, so what else do we have in this box? All right, so what is this? This is a fruit butter lip mask. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is what this looks like. An intense overnight lip mask. Shea butter, apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, elasticity. Oh, and it's just some little simple packaging, nothing crazy. Really easy, probably just like put a little bit on your lips and go. All right, so what do we have here? This is a Virginia Wolf. It's a wrap. It's like a body wrap. So it's like, it gives you a couple different ways that you can wear the wrap. You can see that? So you can wear it like as a scarf, a dress, a skirt, or like a kind of like a cover, like a bandeau dress. Oh, this is cute. And it looks like it's all like banana leaves. So I like this packaging, how it comes tied. This is cute. We're just gonna take a look at the fabric itself. Oh, it's soft. Very, very soft. Oh, it's very pretty. I like the leaves and I like the little bit of pink that flows through it. Very nice. All right, and it's touching the floor and it's above my head. So yeah, it's pretty big, goes below my knees, almost like to my calves actually, is how like far down this goes. So really cool, really excited to play around with this. Like make little dresses out of it and be like, hey, my little dress. Alrighty, I think there's like one more thing underneath all of this grass. The last thing we have here is like a little tray. It's just like a little plastic tray. You can probably put some snacks on and carry it out. Or you could just use it for your makeup or put your perfumes on. So there's a lot you can do with this as well. I think it'd be cute to maybe like put some food on it or anything and like use it for snacks. I think would be really cute. And like, look at all the cute little lemons. That just like screams summer to me. That is everything that I got in my box. I am super, super excited for my salsa and guac bowls. I was so excited for these. I'm really excited to try out the little foot callus scrub. I think that's gonna be a lot of fun too, and it'll like help with dry skin and anything like that. But I'm really excited to try the cute little pineapple ice tray. I think this is just super, super cute. I'm really excited to try the water too. I don't know, I'm really excited for this entire box, honestly. Definitely something different from the boxes, I think, because I haven't gotten, I don't know, I feel like I haven't gotten anything like this yet in all my boxes. So I'm really excited for this. And there was really no makeup, which I think was kind of refreshing because I always get a lot of makeup and stuff I get. So wow. All right, well, I will leave all of the little discount codes in the bottom. I don't think there's too many this time around, but I will leave them in the description below. You guys have a great one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.